Now see, here we are discussing oxidation of aldehyde, and under that we are using the failing solution. What is the use and how it functions, we can judge. So remember, failing solution is used to for the detection of aldehyde. It is used, write it, write it. It is used to detect or for the detection or to detect CHO group. Okay, this is the point one. This is the point one we have done. Number second. Number second. It is a color test. It is color test. लिया सवाल नहीं लिया. It is color test. Why we will write what is the color change? Blue color. Blue convert red or dark red. Blue becomes some other color. Dark red, red, wine red. One that change will be observed. That is observable change we can have. Next point. Failing solution. Failing solution is the mixture of. Failing solution is the mixture of A and B. A and B. What is A and B? Solution A. What is solution A? Solution A is the mixture of. Is a mixture of, or simply we can say copper sulfate dissolved in copper sulfate dissolved in H2SO4. This is the solution A. When you dissolve copper sulfate in H2SO4, that should be concentrated. That should be concentrated. That is the solution A. And remember, this is what we have. Now solution B. What is solution B? Solution B is the potassium sodium tartrate. We can have potassium. It is what? Potassium sodium tartrate. The salt of tartaric acid. So potassium sodium tartrate in NaOH. This is the solution A and solution B. Okay, right? When you mix this solution, that becomes failing solution. That becomes failing solution. So let us go for the next point. Okay, we'll go for next example. Let us go for example. See, if you have write this, if you have aldehyde functional group, aromatic or aliphatic, no problem. And when you add failing solution means A plus B. When you add A plus B, this become what? This form carboxylate ions. This form carboxylate ions. And okay, let us have this reaction then. Let us have this reaction. This is a carboxylate ion. That's all. So let us go for the reaction. So write the reaction. See here. What is the reaction we can say? See, write the aldehydic group. What is the failing solution? Right, it's a chemical species or entity which are reacting with that. That is what? Copper sulfate means copper dipositive ion, we can say sulfate will be there, common ions. And what is the condition? Again, it is a basic condition. So we can write, instead of writing the NaOH, just write OH minus, because we have no business with the cation. We require this part from NaOH. We require this copper part from sulfate, copper sulfate, right? Now see, so write the changes. First we will write the changes. Say right then. See here, this become carboxylate. This become carboxylate. Like this carboxylate means it is oxidized, right? It is oxidized. And this copper 2 plus become copper 1 plus. In fact, this is forming, this form copper oxide 1. We can say cuprous oxide is also named. And there is a formation of water molecule. We can balance this equation, no problem. We can balance this equation also. How can balance this? If you see this copper 1, so this is copper 2. So we can have 2 here. So if you balance this reaction, it is easy to balance. We can balance this by having the example. So now, we'll have a last point about this. Okay, failing solutions. Next point is aldehyde and alpha hydroxy ketone, alpha hydroxy ketone can be detected by this test. Can be detected by this test. So if you take this benzaldehyde, if we take benzaldehyde, this is the benzaldehyde, and if we are using copper ion and add what basic condition is this, try to write the reaction, that become benzoate, benzaldehyde become benzoate ion. This can be sodium benzoate. This copper become oxide, and this also give water. Now see, this aldehyde is maybe colorless. This is blue in color. Remember, this phalanx is blue in color, and when you have this idea, this solution reaction mixture becomes red in color. So it is the color test, which is the very well-known reaction, we can say, which involve the oxidation of the aldehyde. Last point about failing solution is, we can say that failing solution is an oxidizing agent. Failing solution is oxidizing agent, because we know the definition of oxidation. Oxidation means addition of one oxygen or removal of two hydrogen. We can have here, there is only one oxygen here in benzaldehyde. Now we have one more oxygen, right? So this is what the failing solution test, or we can say failing test of aldehyde. So hope you understand this point, right? Any questions, so you can ask on this.